So hey everyone, Gerald Pauschmann here, The Point TV. This is Tuesday's tutorial where we bring you cool apps, amazing websites, and other shit. Remember when Gwyneth Paltrow told the world that she enjoys steaming her vagina for energizing purposes? Of course. And we all said, oh, Gwenny, whatever. Well, apparently, the idea of vagina cleansing is more than just a wacky comment from an A-lister, as I have learned that Britain now has its very first vagina facialist, Lisa Palmer. She's steamed, buffed, and polishes everyone. And I thought this is something that I would like to try my hand at. See what I did there? I'd love a good polish every now and then, eh? Yeah, just knock the top off that and give that a good polish, will you? Well, is this the hottest treatment since the Brazilian bikini wax? The Vajacial. I can't do this story. I can't do this story. The Vajacial or facial for your vagina. A facial for your vagina. What if I wanted a Brazilian on my face? Would it look like a mohawk running all the way down my face? Who sends me these stories? Why do you keep sending me this story? You want me to be serious? Anywho, yes, you can now apparently treat your love box to a soothing, relaxing skincare treatment in your home at that. I guess when you're finished with the treatment box, it'll slide under your bed. In light of the success of vaginal steaming, vagina facials have become the latest beauty craze to hit the female market. As if women haven't got enough to worry about. There's just one more thing. Now, according to Palmer, oh seriously, that's not her real name, is it? Palmer? Like Mrs. Palmer? Not going there. So according to Palmer, the logic behind the treatment, which involves a lot for a simple facial, is to give women the vagina of a 25-year-old. I bet you that 25-year-old's pissed off. Where's my vagina gone? Where's my vagina gone? Oh, good old Palmer's got it. The dating expert explained that after her divorce, she started dating younger men and used to pay attention mostly to what her face looked like. I bet you they didn't. Little did she realise, however, that other parts of her body needed attention as well. She said, we tend to forget our nether regions, thinking a Brazilian wax is enough. But when I was dating my first younger man, I looked downstairs to realise, what you mean, like downstairs in the basement? It was a bit wrinkly and dry compared to when I was younger. Fair enough. Oh, there anyone wrinkly down there? The only thing she would find downstairs is Josef Fritzl. So what is in this vagina facial, you ask? Well, according to Palmer, it's a mix of coconut oil, vitamin E cream, honey, and egg white. Apparently, the concoction combats dryness and improves elasticity. Not to mention, it even tightens the vagina.
I found out I had 2 vaginas when I was 17.
What? 2 vaginas? Is that like buy one, get one free? Hey, is there a special on 50% off the second one? I can't say anymore. Let's take a look.
3 lovely ladies a challenge to try out the latest word in beauty treatments, the vagina facial. Can't wait to hear how this goes.
Yep, we can't all wait to hear how this goes. Check out Philip's face.
So far, the ladies kind of quite enjoyed the relaxation kind of side of it.
Absolutely.
Lisa.
Yeah, they've really enjoyed it.
How did it go?
Yeah, it went really well. Got really positive feedback. So yeah, definitely.
Let's see how they felt. Abigail, first of all, what did you think?
Well, I'm going to reserve my judgment until the next time I dance the horizontal tango.
Well, I'm going to reserve my judgment until the next time I do the horizontal tango.
Are you? So you're going to find out maybe what your dance partner might think of the results.
Exactly.
Do you feel any different?
I felt lovely and warm, actually.
A nice feeling?
Yes, nice warm.
Okay.
Yes.
All right then.
Okay.
Jewel?
All right then. Okay. Warm. Let's move on quickly. Next one.
I feel a bit like I've just had sex, actually. I feel a bit damp.
She just didn't say damp, did she?
to say that on TV.
Well, it's too late. It's too late now. Essentially, does this make you feel that you should pursue this route? Is something?
Do you think it's something that you think you should pursue this route? See what he did there?
That you'd like to try again?
Yes, I think it's really good. I think it's an area that we neglect.
Ladies, what do you mean it's an area you neglect?
As I said before, and I think we should love ourselves. So yes, I would definitely do this again. Definitely.
And do you think you're noticing? Do you think you will notice any benefits here?
I think I'm noticing a little bit. Like I feel quite nice and relaxed, like I've just said. But I think
might
it'll
have been
take.
nicer to say than what the other thing was. But
Yeah.
nice and relaxed is far better.
Yeah, I think it's going to take time though to actually tell. So,
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Nadine.
I actually own a waxing salon up in Edinburgh, and I do feel like it's a treatment that would be beneficial towards a lot of my clients. And I think they would enjoy it as
It
well.
could go hand in hand
Absolutely,
with the treatments that you do.
Very interesting.
But it does take a bit of time, as you said earlier, for you to see the real benefit.
Absolutely, yeah. You're looking about 3 to 6 months. So
You're looking between 3 to 6 months.
I've got to start working on the men's treatment
The man's treatment?
next.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, ladies.
Thank you for that.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. At no point in your rambling, incoherent response were you even close to anything that could be considered a rational thought. Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it.
If you have a story that you think should be told and the world should know about it, send me an email. The links are on the screen. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, this was Tuesday's Tutorial. I'm Gerald Pauschmann for The Point TV.